Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Great White North. Well, we have survived our first winter storm. This one was it actually was kind of scary last night. Um, we weren't expecting that kind of fierce weather. The birds are getting all excited now. Um, Wanted to come out and do some surveying of the property, see if we lost anything out here. We got a big branch down over here. That's where Mary's bird feeder used to be. I'm guessing it came probably out of that tree right there. Although I don't see where it came out at. And then we have another branch down over here. That's probably the one I heard hit the trailer last night. Oh, we also got about, probably 3-4 inches of snow. I'm going to walk around this way. We have a couple of trees on the property that look like they're on the verge of coming down. One of them is right over there, and it's still standing. I see a few more of them up there. They're still standing. Huh. Maybe I didn't lose as much as I thought I did last night. Oh, all my wood. That used to be in a nice, neat pile. It is no longer in a nice, neat pile. I have to go find my gloves and restack all of that, I guess. I think I made a mistake when I moved. I had a 4x8 sheet of plywood that was up against that wall in front of that window. And I made a mistake and moved it last night because I didn't want it flying around. Well, it probably would have protected that window a little better than what it did. Alright. Well, I'm going to walk down this way because there's a tree over this way that I want to see if it's still there. So I'm going to walk out there. Well, the tree I was looking for is right there. Let's see if I can get through here. Usually I can follow deer trails out here, but they're a little hard to find right now. There it is. So that tree is still there. Surprisingly, it is a tree that needs to come down. Well, I'm going to head back around over on the other side of the canal. There was a tree over there that might have come down. And coming around the corner, here's a small tree. It looks like it was taken down. And continue up this way. Ooh. I think I lost part of that tree. That doesn't look good. Oh, look, little rabbit tracks. I wonder where they were hiding at. Alright, let me go up this way. There was another tree somewhere up here that looked pretty weak. Yeah, I think it's still there. It was right up in through here. This is the deer trail right here that we're on. It doesn't look like it's been busy this morning. Yep. That tree is still there. Unbelievable. Alright, well, I'm just gonna head back up to the house. I'll follow this trail up to the house. This is actually coming across this way is actually a shortcut across our property to our neighbor's house. We live back over there. Frank and Nancy and Bob and Carol live over there. So this is, we don't walk this at night. Go over to Frank's bar on Friday night. Oh, there's Bob and Carol's gate right there. So our house has got to be down this way. All right, I'm going to head over to the house this way. Well, we're about, I'd say probably 100 feet from the cabin here. And, well, this was one of the trees that I was worried about. And it did come down. It was a dead tree. And there's another one over there that might have been the top of this tree at one point. But the surprise is this tree, this is the top or one of the branches. Looks like the top and one of the branches from this tree, which was probably about 100-foot tall tree. Beautiful tree. Oh, there's more debris from it over there. Let's see if we go around this way. Oh, it looks like the wind just came right through here and took the top out of this tree. That is probably, oh, look at that. That is probably the loud boom that we heard in the middle of the night. Was that the whole top of that tree coming down? Well, I'm glad that's not one of the trees that was by the house, because, yeah, that would have been a little scary. Well, so far that's not too bad. We've lost maybe 2-3 trees. 2 of them we knew were coming down, but now we have this tree, which is probably, well, 80 to 100 years old. Big pine, big ponderosa pine. That's going to have to come out. That's a shame. Well, I'm going to continue surveying the property, see if there's anything else down. And, well, we'll let you know what else we got to do. We'll enjoy the, enjoy the snow here in the Great White North at the farm.